Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see your Instagram password. So let's go to browser first, then right here Gmail. Log into your Gmail account or Google account. Now you have to click on top right corner your profile icon, this one. Click on manage your Google account. Now you'll find here security. Click on this. Scroll down and you'll see here password manager. Click on this. Now just scroll down till you find instagram.com. Okay, you can see here instagram.com. Click on this. Now just you have to write here your email password, this email or Gmail password. After giving your password, click on next. After click on next, you will be able to see your Instagram email and Instagram password. If you click on this I button, you will be able to view this. Okay, so guys, this is how we can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.